everybody, it's us again, and we are on the Independence of the Seas again. No complaints, we love this ship. This week, I am in room
266666.
just 2666, the Devil's Room. And I'm going to explain why I do not recommend this room later, but I will still give you the full tour. It is located on deck 2, very, very aft, and well, there he is right there. And there is the very aft of the ship. So let's go into 2666. Woo! All right, as soon as you walk in, you got your closet. It is just me in here this week, which is awesome. So I have all the shelves to myself, which is 5. You got the safe. I got a shirt up top, I don't know why, but I do, with the life vest right there and the hanging clothes, and I do have a duffel bag down below. Inside the washroom, you have your adjustable shower head, 2 little shelves right here. I got the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, got my poof, vacuum toilet, a couple towels, and you got your standard vanity. It's kind of a small vanity, so ladies, definitely do your business out there. And you will see in just a moment. There I am. How you doing? Dual voltage power right there, and there is no night light in this assembly right here. So bring your own, and you can just plug it in right there. 3 shelves right there. Got my toiletries, and let's head out. In the shower, you do have a drying string right here, not a drying hook. So you can hang up your swimwear, which I have dry from CocoCay today. There's Alex in the little lounge chair. It is a lounge chair because this is an adjoining room with 2664. 2664 has occupancy for 4, has 2 bunk beds and then 2 twin size beds, or just 1 king size bed. This door either does not seal very well, because we've had adjoining rooms in the past, and either they're very, very loud, or the door doesn't seal because I can hear those kids. Luckily, it was only till about 11 last night, and yeah, banging on the wall a couple times, told them to shush up, and they did. So that was nice, but you do have a master light switch right there. It is partitioned, this room right here, so it has the 2 full curtains that go across the room, which is kind of nice. Another master switch back there. The beds are put together as a king size bed if you want them apart. Here is a picture of another room we've had on this ship with the beds apart. And again, it's with the window open. We'll see the window open in just a few minutes, but with the beds together, you got the nightstands on each side. Conditioning vent on this room is on the ceiling right there, and it blows directly on you, on your face, on the pillows. So I got my magnetic hooks right there, which I hang up a towel and deflect the air. So if you're susceptible to allergies or whatever, like I am, respiratory issues, definitely bring some magnetic hooks so you can hang up a towel to deflect the air at night. I do have a ventilating fan, which I use USB operated fan right there. But anyway, this is a backlit vanity right here, and you will definitely want to use this, ladies, to get ready. Let me shut it off because it is blinding. Got an articulating TV. Articulating means it does pivot, and that also allows you to direct it towards the bed or the chair, and be able to hook up the HDMI cable so you can plug it into your laptops. Speaking of that, I got my 2 MacBooks right there, the 16-inch, the 13-inch. The power is 2 110 volt outlets right there, and 1 220 volt grounded outlet right there. Your speaker cancel right there, so if you don't want the music playing, definitely turn that off. You got the storages behind these little doors right there. 6 drawers, and you do have your beverage cooler. This is not a refrigerator, it's a beverage cooler. If you do need a refrigerator for your medicine, definitely let your stateroom attendant know, and they will get you one. And this is why you chose this category of room. There it is. I got the curtains pulled. Here we are. Deck 2, again, just right above the crew deck in 995. Check it out. Boy, we are booking along 20 knots right now. So there it is. Not much of a shelf, but you can put something that you need, maybe an alarm clock or your cell phone up here on this ledge where the curtains are. That is a room tour of
266666.
the Devil Room. Yes, the Devil Room. And I say that because I can hear the kids right now through that door. They are very, very loud. So either that door does not seal or they're just obnoxious. But again, that's everywhere you go, cruise ship, hotel, your apartment, anything, you're at the mercy of your neighbors. The second issue with this room is right above on deck 3 is the main dining room. Yes, I heard carts earlier this morning and late last night. So haven't had any issues from the propellers down below, any vibration or noise. The main noise I've had is the people next to you, but also the main dining room above. Do I recommend this room? No. Move forward. If you're going to be down below, move either deck 2 forward rooms or up near where Alex and Chris are in 2640. By the way, check out that video. That should be published by now when I have this one published. We always thank you for supporting our channel. If you haven't already, we invite you to
like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram at As Good As It Gets.
We have spent so much time on this ship. We've done the transatlantic, we've done UK, we've done many Caribbean cruises. In fact, this is number 2 of 4 back-to-backs, and we were just on this 2 weeks prior to last week. So we're on this ship a lot. We know it very well. We know a lot of the crew. It is a great ship, great crew. We love it. Great entertainment and great itineraries. So if you've been on the ND or have any questions, leave your comments down below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we possibly can. Thanks for hanging out with us on the ND. Ciao, ciao for now from wherever in the heck world we are. We're in the Caribbean somewhere. So ciao, ciao for now. See ya.
Bye.